sunny Saturday. Just thought I'd show you a cold start on the 1974 X90 that I have for sale on Bring a Trailer. Pipe is cold. Turn the choke on a little bit. Cold start. Make sure the vent is open.